Welcome to Pocket Women Lockpicking and Lock Sport. Today I'm going to try something for a first time. I'm going to try and pick something with spools on camera. I've been practicing spools using my lockout locks and I haven't been that successful. I've only picked this one a few times that I got from Shackle, and when I first got it, and haven't been able to pick it since. And the two of my own, I've only got open one of them once. In practicing spools, I ended up breaking all three of my hooks. So, sorry Rev, your picks lasted for ages, but they couldn't outlast spools. Fortunately, I had on me a cheap, nasty set, and I modified some picks like Rev done to try and get them to go, but these are definitely more nasty than you can imagine. I had to file the sides, all this, and on some of them really bent, but the handle's separated from the inside and there's a big gap and very nasty. So that's all I've got at the moment, because the homebrew picks I made them too thin and they were just bending. So this is what I've got to work with, so this is what I'm going to try. So what I'm going to try and open is a lock that I brought when I first started Lock Sport, in anticipation that one day I'll be good enough to do it. Hopefully that day is today, and it's the Lockwood 334 chrome 45mm closed shackle, shrouded shackle. Works great. It's a fabulous lock. It is heavy as. It weighs 367 grams. It's 45.73mm wide. It's 20mm thick. The height to the top of the shackle is 82.23mm, and it's 8.75mm shackle. It's the, what do you call it? Don't know how to say it. Molly something shackle. So I'm going to give that a go. And also, if I get it picked, then I'm going to try gutting for the first time. Now, I haven't actually gutted anything in practice, so it'll be a total first for me. This lock comes with a security rating. It's 7. And a corrosion resistance of 4. It's one of the toughest ones you can get. And it passes everything. Except pick resistance. Well, hopefully. So I'm going to give this a go now. Now, if my video runs over 15 minutes, I may have trouble uploading it, so I may have to do it in 2 parts, like I did my last one. Even though I changed my settings and YouTube said it was cool to upload something over 15 minutes, When I tried to do it in real life, well, it wouldn't do it. I don't know if that's because of the age of my iPad. Okay. Let's give this a go. I'm going to start at the back. Just because that key, it's got such high bitting at the back end, low sets at the front. I'll probably set those as I'm pushing the pick in, so I'll go for these pieces at the back. I'm using what you call a shotgun at the base for leverage, because I found that without it I couldn't pick it at all, but once I put it in I was able to pick it. Find the pins first is always good. Just real little movements until I slide into a chamber like that. Real light tension. Keep adjusting it. Movement on the core. Just lightly trying to nudge the pins up. Here's one. More movement on the core. More movement. Whoa. Big movement on the core. Just make sure tension wrench is in. So the top of the keyway tension wrench is a commercial tension wrench out of the flat 5. Bottom one's a homebrew, made out of wiper blade. Back down the stack. Even if with the lightest of tension, these can be really difficult to push up. Which is why I've broken 3 picks in the last 2 weeks. But those picks did get a good workout in the past 2 months that I've had them. They've been the sole picks I've been using. Hold that, push that in again. I feel like there's just one more stuck. Oh, it doesn't matter how hard I push it, it won't go. I don't want to snap another pick. So I'm just gonna give it a little nudge.